Now, weather with 27 Storm Track's Catherine Noel.
Welcome back, everyone. Let's start with a live look outside from our Constellation camera. It actually looks a little bit better than what we dealt with earlier this morning. Earlier, I was pointing out the Capitol because you couldn't even see it behind me. It's 22 degrees, feels like 13. It's certainly foggy out there still, though. 1 mile visibility right now in Madison. We do still have a dense fog advisory in place, and this will be the case until noon today. So hazards that can come with this, visibility of 1/4 mile or less, which we are seeing in some counties, and slick spots from freezing fog. This is what, day 2 or 3 of this. This is a look at visibility right now. So a lot of us are down to 1/4 mile, Mineral Point, Monroe, Platteville. It's really next to the Illinois border here. Madison down to 1 mile visibility, less than 1 mile in Janesville. Either way, you want the low beams on. I think, roads could travel easily a little bit slower today. Visibility issues are still possible, as we just saw, especially towards our southern counties. So light snow will develop, I think, later. We'll get a little break from the fog, some lifting. And then I think slick spots could be possible. So back to the yellow light, I think around 6, 7, 8 o'clock tonight. So just prepare for that. Clouds and radar the last few hours, we can show and see that cloud cover moving in. It's also going to really start to thicken up. So very cloudy today, another gloomy day in the forecast. We do have a clipper system coming in that went through the Dakotas, now Minneapolis, bringing a wintry mix, even some light flurries. We saw that earlier this morning. I looked out the window. We could see a little bit of freezing drizzle with this, which could also cause some slick spots. But look behind that, we have high pressure on the way, and that means sunshine. Finally, it's been days of the clouds, and that continues. Here's a look later on this afternoon into the evening when we could see a really brief light snow. I think possibly a dusting of this, if that though. Not much accumulation there. Here's a look at tomorrow afternoon. Check it out. Breaks of clouds. The sun is on the way. We just have to get through this gloomy day first. Our temps are also starting to warm up a bit, so I think a bit of wind direction will help with that, a change in direction as our front pulls through. Highs in the low 30s today, above our average, which is 26 degrees. So we're gaining momentum when it comes to the numbers on our highs. 31, morning freezing fog, of course, flurries, light snow possible tonight. 21 for your low, flurries I think end by midnight, a little dusting possible, and then we're clear. Look what's happening tomorrow. Sunshine, mostly sunny skies, mild with a high of 34 degrees. It's above our average all week long on our 7-day, very, very quiet. Not a whole lot to talk about here, right? So we do welcome the sun tomorrow, and then the gloomy clouds, they're kind of back. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, some partial sunshine there, but above average for our temps. So feeling a little bit warmer than normal, but still cold out there.
No snow. Do we think that the snow we have is going to stay?
I think it's a hit or miss. I think we can see a little bit of it go, and I actually looked 2 weeks out. We have no precipitation in the forecast for yes.
What?
I know. So we'll see what happens. Above average temps and no precipitation, very dry.
Wow. All right. Catherine, thank you.